The top is he vintage dead yet dark crow raven bird humor retro t-shirt is a perfect choice for people who enjoy mysterious humor, gothic-inspired fashion, and vintage graphic designs, featuring a dark crow or raven artwork combined with a sarcastic retro phrase. This shirt creates a bold and unforgettable appearance that easily stands out in any casual outfit. Ravens have long been symbols of mystery, intelligence, and dark beauty, making this design especially attractive to fans of alternative fashion, horror aesthetics, and retro humor culture. Whether you wear it to a music festival, a Halloween party, a casual gathering, or simply while relaxing with friends, this t-shirt instantly adds personality and attitude to your wardrobe. The vintage-inspired print gives the shirt a faded retro appearance that feels both timeless and trendy, while the dark color palette matches perfectly with jeans, jackets, boots, or layered streetwear looks.